So, hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's vlog, I am going to review itong si Mosview Placenta White Advanced tablet. So, ayan siya guys. This is more or less 32 bottles of the 60 tablets of Mosview Placenta White Advanced. And disclaimer lang guys, this is not a sponsored video. I just want to share yung experience ko with Mosview while using Mosview. And I've been using Mosview for almost 2 years na since my failed marriage relationship. So, I am not ashamed of what happened from my married life. And so, segue na ako. So, forget na natin yung past and let's face it positively in life. And hindi ko madidiscover si Mosview if hindi ako iniwan ng husband ko. And honestly guys, I've learned a lot from what happened. And kung papipiliin ako kung gusto kong ulitin yung nangyari, I would say yes. Kasi, yun nga, sabi ko, marami akong natutunan and parang tinitingnan ko yung life positively na lang and not the negative ones. And I know naman na may tinuturi si Lord bakit ito nangyari sa aking buhay, may asawa. So, let's do the review kasi mabilisan lang to dahil ayan, may mga dumadang eroplano dito sa apartment. And then, isa pa, luma na tong aking iPhone. And, mabilis siyang malobat and mapuno yung memory. So, ito na nga, I'll be mentioning yung mga important ingredients ni Mosview. So, one of the important ingredients niya are yung horse placenta, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and basahin ko na guys yung marine salmon, and then the protein fish collagen. Tapos meron pa ditong petal extract, elastin rose petal extract, silk powder. Yon. So, hindi ko siya dito may highlight sa screen dahil wala naman akong I don't have a good editor app, and kasi nasa ako, today is January 19, 2025, and this is gonna be my first upload for this year. And decluttering. So I need to throw na yung mga hindi ko na kailangan dito sa apartment. Because, paano ba? So, kailangan magtapon na tayo ng mga basura natin. Niipon ko nga to kasi, sabi ko nga, mag-review ako about the Mosview. So, bakit ko nga ba siya na-discover? Iyon, as I've said, yung security guard kasi namin sa store, she's been telling about this brand na sabi niya, maganda nga daw to. And to the fact that yung security namin na yon is pareho kami ng age. And then, yun nga, sabi niya, this one is an anti-aging food supplement. So, this is made in Japan. Sinabayan niya daw uminom ng Dayan. Dinry ko lang siyang sabayan before, but Dayan pills is not for me. And that's the first time I use or drink Dayan. Hindi talaga ako uminom ng pills. And then, nung tinry kong sabayan ng Dayan, nagka-pimples ako. So, sa iba, hindi daw siya parang hindi, anong tawag nito? Hindi ko alam paano ko sasabihin. Parang hindi sila hiyang. Sabi nakaka-dry daw ng skin. But, when taking supplement kasi ako, ang ginagawa ko, I've been drinking a lot of water. And although may vitamin C siya, sinasabihan ko pa rin siya ng vitamin C plus zinc. And for first time use, dapat 4 tablets yung inumin mo. Akong ginagawa ko, after ko ng breakfast, iniinom ko na yung 4 tablets. And then, after 6 months, kasi sabi naman ng BA, pwede ko na siyang maintenance na lang ng 2 tablets per day dahil medyo mabigat sa bulsa itong si Mossview, guys. Alam niyo ba, ito lahat to is costly na kulang-kulang 50,000. It's 49,000. Pag kinumpute ko, 49 nasa 49,500 na. So, I invested to myself kasi I'm in the phase, P-H-A-S-E. I'm in the phase of self-love right now, and I know some of the people hindi naintindihan. So, ngayon, nakapokus lang ako sa sarili ko kasi I've, parang pinabayaan ko yung sarili ko. Nag-focus ako sa family ko and investment na in the end, all materials lang pala siya. Hindi siya importante sa buhay if hindi naman buo yung family mo and there's no main reason why those things are with you. Kumbaga, parang bakit mo siya naipundar kung mawawala din pala. So, I don't want to cry. It's already past and I want to move on this 2025. It's been 2 years na since iniwan nga ako ng ex-husband ko. And people change. We cannot control everybody. We cannot control everything what is happening to our life. Ang kaya lang natin i-control is yung sarili natin, how we react on a certain happenings or scenario na nangyayari sa buhay natin. So, at first, hindi ko matanggap, pero sabi ko, as the day or years passed by, I know it's been 2 years, and 2 years is like a short period of time for me. Grabe, parang ang feeling ko, ang bilis ng 2 years. Kumbaga parang, I already survived yung almost 1 year na hindi ako makain, hindi ako natutulog, and then, pero sabi ko, nung nakita ko na pumapangit ako, parang may nakapansin sa akin na, Miss Joyce, parang may pinagdadaanan ka ba? Kasi, you look depressed. So, sabi ko, no, hindi ako pwedeng maging depressed. So, yan, nag-self-love ako. I've been taking Mossview. Bali ngayon kasi parang maintenance na lang ako. So, 2 tablets. So, even though 2 tablets na lang yung iniinom ko, meron akong ibang brands na iniinom. Like yung the collagen peptide powder company. I forgot the exact name. Pero yun, and then yung collagen with glutathione ni Avon, and then meron pang isa, yung nabibili sa 7-Eleven and Watsons na may L-carnitine, tapos may vitamin C, and then yun, collagen. Pero ngayon, as of now, sold out si collagen from any store. Kasi sa Pure Gold wala na rin siya yung collagen na jelly na iniinom. It's like 40 pesos sa Watsons and 7-Eleven. I'm not so sure, na kalimutan ko na yung price kasi nagtaas siya. Before it was 38 lang. And ngayon nasa 40 pesos. 38 sa 7-Eleven. Kasi medyo mahal ang mga prices ng items sa 7-Eleven. So ayun guys, yun lang yung mabilisang kwento kung bakit medyo nag-bloom and bumata tayo guys. And then talagang nag-self-love ako. I'm using contact lens. And then ayan, nag-ano na ako, lash extension. So lahat ng kaartihan guys, na alam mo yung parang sabi nila, bakit sabi ng ex-husband ko parang nagdadalaga ako, ano ba yan, parang magbubuhay dalaga daw ako. So it's not, it's the reflection of how I treated myself. So, I love myself. So, I don't hate myself. So, kumbaga, hindi ko sinisisi or hindi ko hini-hate yung sarili ko for what happened. So, I should move forward, look forward. I know God has something for me. And, sorry guys. So, yun. Think positive lang sa mga negative na nangyayari sa atin. So, I think that's it for today's, guys. Kasi kailangan ko nang itapon ito dahil ang dami na niya. Ayan. So, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys!